Yo, angmohcardealer over here, and this right here is the most done up C180 on the market. This Mercedes-Benz had gone full makeover from the outside to the inside. Let's have a closer look. Just have a look at this beauty. Fully blacked out with the fresh paintwork, comes with a complete C63 body kit, also comes with a carbon fiber brabus front splitter to complete the look. Absolutely beautiful. This car comes also with a brand new AMG 18-inch rims and even C63 fenders. Look at this, how sexy. Look at the side profile. Black Merc is always in style, there is no question about that. Behind we also have full AMG body kit with AMG exhaust exits and a diffuser as well. This car is absolutely gorgeous, and on inside it's even more beautiful. Let's go in. Alright, we are inside, and this is what it looks like from driver's perspective. Simply wow. Of course, we have a flat bottom, AMG carbon fiber steering wheel, very nice with pedal shifters, fully digital speedometer cluster. How cool is this for a 2015 car? We got upgraded digital speedometer cluster. This car comes with full ambient lighting. Even the aircon vents had been upgraded. The speakers had been upgraded. Look at this. By the way, when you start up the car, this thing will spin and come out, and then will go back inside when you off the vehicle. All these vents had been upgraded. We even have the AMG lit up logo here. Look, so beautiful. And behind also upgraded speakers, AMG logo, and even these aircon vents had been changed for your rear passenger aircon. How nice. You have ambient light in the footwell as well. And of course, the ambient light can change color to your liking, but I think personally, I really like this. Comes with the latest, the most expensive Android player, which also comes with a wireless Apple CarPlay as well. And even this thing, guys, even this thing we had upgraded. Instead of the old school scroll wheel, here we have a touchpad. Very nice, very beautiful. All right, guys, have another look and truly appreciate this beauty. Now this car looks 10 years newer than it really is, and it's such a joy to drive and be inside this cabin. Whew, wow guys, just wow, absolutely love this car. The makeover is beautiful, it looks good outside, it looks and feels good inside, and drives superbly well. In terms of COE, you have a lot of time to enjoy, 9 years and 1 month left. In terms of depreciation, only 14,000 plus. Imagine driving this absolutely beautiful Mercedes-Benz at depreciation similar to that of a Honda Jazz. Unbelievable! Viewing available daily in our showroom, and you'll know what to do. Call me, and we'll give you a good deal.